Okay, so I have laryngitis, and my family thinks it's hilarious how I'm talking, so we came up with the idea that I am to read poetry and post it on YouTube, so, whatever. So, my first poem is going to be The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood, and looking down one as far as I could, to where it been in the undergrowth. Then took the other just as far, and having... Oh, crap. Sorry. And having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for the passing there had worn them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay. In leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on way, onto way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and I took the road less traveled by, and that made all the difference.